Hello guys, it's me once again, Michael Bernales of PH Property by DMCI Homes. So I hope you're well and good. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa isang project ni DMCI Homes in Pasay City. So which is also located along Taft Avenue. And also guys, itong project na to, it is one of the successful project ni DMCI Homes. Bakit? Kasi marami rin nag-invest dito, lalo na yung mga students or yung mga parents na yung mga pinapaaral nilang anak nila na malalapit sa mga certain schools like Saintsco, CSB, and LaSalle. Siyempre, all other schools na malapit sa mga transit-oriented development natin na projects. So, i-discuss ko ngayon dito guys yung mga projects ni DMCI Homes in Pasay City. So, we have the Aston Place. So, magta-turnover siya, I think 2025. Then, the Camden Place. Yan, mas later siya matatapos. And papakita ko sa inyo yung mismong project update niya here at the roof deck. And syempre guys, papakita ko rin sa inyo yung mga other views dito sa Laverty Residences. So, meron tayong Manila Bay on this side, on the east side. And we have the Makati Skyline on the west side. And syempre, papuntang south yung airport. And yung north side natin dito, which is papuntang Manila, QC. Yan. And then guys, kapag meron kayong mga questions about sa mga projects na i-discuss ko, please do subscribe and please do message me or give me a call or a private message, lalo na yun dito sa mga aking contact details. Ayan. So it's Mike PH Property by DMCI Homes. Ayan. And guys, ayun nga, syempre magkakaroon lang tayo ng konting ng brief discussion on the project of DMCI Homes dito kay Pasay. So right now, ilan ba yung meron tayo? So number 1, this is the Laverty Residences. Number 2, yung Fairway Terraces, which is near airport. Actually nasa Villamor siya. And we have the Aston Place. So yun yung magiging next na mata-turn over in the future. And we have the Camden Place. So yun yung later na mata-turn over pa. And right now, meron tayong latest na mare-release actually. Pero I don't have any details on that yet. And syempre we don't have a license to sell yet. So yun nga, sinasabi ko nga sa mga previous vlogs ko or sa mga previous discussion ko na if we don't have a license to sell yet, wala pa tayong pwedeng may release dapat na detalye kasi we might get a technical issue on that. So syempre baka katulad niyan magkaroon ako ng violation. So syempre ayoko naman i-risk on yung ganong klaseng instance. So ito guys, itutur ko kayo around here sa roof deck ni Laverty and I will show you around yung ano yung mga skyline na makikita natin. So tara guys. So ito guys, yung Makati Skyline makikita natin dito. And ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, isang project ng DMCI Homes, which is the Aston. So makikita natin dito yung kanyang construction update, which is yung building nakatayo na talaga siya. It's more on the finishing na siya. And on that side, yung naka-green na yan, that is the Camden Place. As we walk here, yan ang Manila Skyline. So we could see here yung mga buildings dyan kay Manila. Guys, tingnan nyo 360 degree view sa roof deck ni Laverty. So ayan ang Manila Bay or Manila Bay. So nakikita dito yung reclamation area na ginagawa. And punta tayo sa kabilang side. So yan guys, yung Makati Skyline. on the other side. So this is one side of Pasay City. Yan, makikita natin dito yung development ng Manila Bay. And guys, kitang-kita naman dito yung view papuntang MOA. And guys, dito pa lang makikita nyo yung development ni Pasay City, which is magiging progressive na siya dahil alam ko magiging another entertainment city rin siya dyan. So magkakaroon din ng mga hotels dyan and other commercial areas. So from here, alam naman natin yung magiging investment natin, it will go up. So guys, ayan. So this is one other roof deck of the Loverte. So guys, I hope you like my tour here at the Loverte Residences roof deck. So napakita ko na sa inyo yung mga views na meron tayo dito. We have the Makati CBD or the Makati Skyline, we have the Manila Bay, and syempre ating Manila Skyline. And also yung airport which is near here. So yung mga areas natin na napaka accessible niya actually dito sa Pasay City. So guys, wag kayong mahiya magtanong if ever you have questions or you want detail that you want to know sa mga projects sa DMCI Homes. So hindi lang dito, not just in Pasay City but also other places in the metro. And syempre we have in Davao and in Batangas. So guys, please do subscribe on my YouTube channel and please do like my page here sa akin sa FB page ko. And guys, please message me once you have any question, once you have a request na gusto nyo makuha. Okay guys, ingat guys and have a great day ahead and God bless. Stay safe. Ciao.